What's up, guys? Sorry I haven't posted in so long, but welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we start anything, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you never miss a new video. Right now I'm in a game, but before we start, happy Thanksgiving. Today is a Thursday, and before you do anything, make sure to follow me and Parker. I'm BearBear23LOL, Kayvon. Parker's ThunderClan underscore clan leader.
And then my
Thunder Buffalo 716. And then shout out to this guy on our team right now. Starting the video off. Now since I have no armor, I'm gonna use that.
So I'm so used to using Vanessa kit, so
You're still using Vanessa kit?
I'm so used to, but
yeah. Okay. Today we're doing the no kit challenge. Parker is here with us today. Sorry, forgot to say that. And he said I think he's used to using Vanessa kit.
yeah, so very used to, because that's really the only kit that I use, because it's good. Unlike half the kits. AKA Builder, even though Builder just got a buff.
Sorry guys if you hear my sister yelling in the back.
That's typical.
Typical Emma.
Messed up the bridge again. Okay. Can I have 2 blocks?
What?
Can I have like 4 blocks?
You go.
That's all I need. Okay, let's go.
2?
Now I'm gonna build up. Or I should. You wanna go after yellow? They're probably gonna be the weakest team. Oh, I can bow this guy.
Blue's coming. Can you please bow him?
Where?
Blue's coming. Can you please bow him?
I'm using a shield.
You're using a you're using a shield.
A shield paw.
I'm like, wait, are we playing
Are we playing?
I was like, wait, are we playing Minecraft Bed Wars or Roblox Bed Wars?
Oh my balloons were not deploying. Are you kidding me?
Your what?
My balloons were deploying.
You died?
Yeah, but
I'm sitting in Gen. I have 10 emeralds. Not diamonds.
10 items. Okay, yeah. Make sure to get balloons.
I already have 4 from emerald drop that I got from a lucky block.
Oh, I can't get it.
People are gonna be so scared of me because I'm getting like diamond armor this early in the game.
I think it's like 4 minutes. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's literally about to be 4 minutes into the game and I'm about to have diamond armor.
Oh no!
Oh,
I was about to get blue's bed. I already set up my the 1 block I need.
and I haven't been using tools much. Oh, he destroyed yellow's bed.
Okay, so 1 blue guy's out. Let's go. He's going to destroy people's beds. Yellow's weak, I guess.
Okay, well, I'm about to go on a killing spree.
Yes, yellow.
Why is our teammate making like the largest bridge ever? Oh, I got black hole. I have a black hole in a Parker. Dude, I've been on a call playing Minecraft with Brennan all day today.
So, okay, I need 1 piece of TNT. Boom. Kevin, can you help me?
Who's bothering you? I'm gonna go kill him.
I need to get their bed.
Who's bothering you now?
No one, but I can kill them, or I can get their bed. They're all out gearing me, so I really can't do nothing.
What do you want to get? Blue?
Yeah, I need to get their bed. Their bed's 1 tap right now.
Hold up. Pause. Don't go in. Oh, is this?
Kevin, don't use it. Don't use it. Kevin, don't use it. Yeah, I just died with 5 pieces. I mean, 2 pieces of TNT. Okay, I have 2 pieces again.
Okay, so I didn't die with all my good stuff. I killed someone. That's good.
If you want, I can just heal you. Will you get the bed, or I'm gonna get. Yeah, actually, I should get the bed. The bed is 1 tap. You can take him out, right?
Yeah, I can.
I hit him a few times, so. Yeah, no, he's on the run. He's on the run. Evan.
Guys, since this is a no-kit challenge... Oh! I died. It's fine. I just smacked them. Get your 3, thanks. Good job. Good job. Now we gotta go for red.
We got tier 3, Jen?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm getting armor.
No! The diamond axe is glitched!
Ow. How is it glitched?
I have an iron axe and it says I can't buy the diamond axe.
That's gonna saw. I need to get a crossbow.
And what did I do to get this treatment? Shield potion, I'm drinking that.
Come on, give me something good. Okay.
Ooh.
Regular shield. I guess that's better than nothing.
Wait, doesn't the guitar heal you? Does the guitar heal yourself?
Yeah. Kevin, I'm stuck. Red space. I got teleported from a
Get the red one over there.
Kevin, I don't have a crossbow. I don't have enough for a crossbow.
Why does yellow's base have white wool over their bed?
Oh, that's the box.
What box? Oh, that's.
Can you get armory real quick? I really could use it.
Yeah, sure. Oh yeah, I was actually gonna buy armory. How much is this?
Crossbow acquired.
Guys, I know you just saw I missed the diamond sword, but it's okay because I have guided missiles.
Guided missiles are okay, but they're a little too overrated or underrated. I don't know.
What do you mean? I got the brimstone. Oh, it's yeah, what? What do I want? Yeah, I want to, Okay. Okay, I don't need a dip. I'm good. Wait, can you just guide the missile until it hits something?
No, it has a timer.
Oh. Should I just go target the 2 people? I have 6. Okay, missiles.
I need to get this trap because I'm mining some trap.
What in the world? I'm just gonna waste that real quick.
No.
What?
I just died because of the freaking hat by Vulcan, and I teleported.
Killed him. Or, no, I didn't kill one. What?
Mom's calling me.
Okay. Okay, I got killed by the void. I'll be right back.
Okay, well, I'm gonna win this. Okay. This might be easy.
Sorry guys about that. My mom just yelled at me for getting my gloves off the centerpiece because it is Thanksgiving and we're having people over. So yeah.
Oh, okay. People coming, people coming. Help, help, help. I hit it with my crossbow, so we should be.
Watch out! Watch out! Above one.
Where?
Above one. Above one.
Where? Oh.
One above.
Yeah, I hit it with my crossbow.
No, no, no.
Advance one, advance one.
Did we die in this?
Kevin, help.
Get him.
Got one. Dude, it's a 3v1. Got this. Kevin, I might need some backup.
Do you want me to go after him with missiles?
No, I need actual, like, PvP support.
Got
I
it.
don't want to kill him, but, like, still, I don't want to risk it for the biscuit. At the same time, though, can I do? Okay, he has a shield. My crossbow is gonna do.
Bro, I just died by suffocating. Because I was trying to do something. I clicked too fast. Like this, ready?
You mean your
Guys, see?
You mean your auto?
Yeah, my auto clicker. If I
Why
clicked
would
too
you use
fast.
an auto clicker?
Yeah, that looks sick.
Yeah, no, basically.
Go at him. Go at him.
Bro, do you not see he has diamond armor? Fine. There's no way.
He doesn't have a bow, does he?
No. Okay, I'm gonna go to mid now. And try to get some emeralds to get diamond armor, and then he's basic.
Okay.
I don't think he knows I have this. It's actually underrated. Oh, great. I just got texted. Nah. I'm gonna lag so bad. Oh! Crap! Nah. Where is this man? Where is this guy?
Yeah, no, it's like I'm controlling where you go.
No, you're not.
Yeah, because I just made you fall.
No, you didn't, bro. I'm, like, misplaced. Okay? You did not, bro. We all know that's Cap. Yo, even my dog knows that's Cap. A dog.
Yo.
Come here. Come here. Come here, look. Come here, look. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he comboed. How do you like that combo? Nah. You're gonna get dominated. See ya, boy! See ya? Wait, what? No. Yes. Let me hit this shot. Well, doesn't matter anyway, we won. GG. So what we learned today? Nothing. That's good.
Okay, I'm just literally just drinking. What in the world is that? GG's. Whatever. GG's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and, so yeah. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.